Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Real Deal Hustle. Currently, I have $6,257 that I'm investing. And look, please do your own due diligence when it comes to the stocks that we'll be discussing today. I am not a financial advisor, so make sure to do your own research. And make sure to like the channel. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. You're not going to find transparency like this almost anywhere on YouTube. Everything that I'm going to be doing with the plays that I discuss in this video, I'll share with you all. If I have a position, I would share with you all. So let's talk about CTRM. CTRM is a stock that I've mentioned in each and every one of my videos. If you've been watching my videos, following my channel, you know that I'm real big on this stock. This stock is about to 3 to 4 times, people. The time to get in this stock is now. Now, you can wait for a dip because this stock is kind of volatile right now. But it seemed like it found support at 65 cents. And I got all the way up. It went all the way up to 76 cents. And I think it settled around 75 cents by end of day. So let me share my position in this stock. Currently, I have 1,451 shares, valued at over $1,000. My average cost is 69 cents. So I did purchase the dip and I brought my average down. And then my total return so far is $121. And then my true return is 96.93. So that's huge. I'm already making money on this. If it drops down some more, I will buy the dip because this stock has nowhere to go but up. This company already has purchased another vessel. So they have multiple vessels and they're ready to do some big things, people. So let's see what Stock Invest has to say about this stock. Stock Invest is rating this a strong buy with 6.72. Wow. So this is a strong buy. I mean, if you're not currently in this stock and if you're a little afraid about getting in, get in, people. Follow this ride. More and more YouTube channels are starting to talk about this stock, and more individuals are starting to purchase. I mean, the volume is huge on this stock right now. So currently the score is 6.72. The stock kind of had a rough day. Like I said, it's a little volatile. So keep in mind it had big movements, 21.06% high and low on February the 5th. So that's huge, people. So like I said, I mean, it started off slow at the beginning of the day and I was like, it's today today. And then it just started to it started to blow in. So that was big and I was enjoying just watching the ride. I was like, wow, I've been waiting for this for a minute. And I know it's only going to climb further and further to the top until it rockets to the moon. So they believe that this stock is going to be up to 81 cents. No doubt it's going to get there. And it's going to have support level at around 0.58 cent. I believe the support level is 65 cents. Like I said, once it hits 65 cents, it did not fall back under 65 cents. But they believe that 58 cents is the true support level when it comes to this stock. But if it break past 81 and 81 cents will become the new support level. Right now, once again, the support risk is 0.71 and 0.62. And remember, there's always a risk with a penny stock. Okay, penny stocks you have to be careful. And if this is not a long-term play for you, as soon as you buy in on the dip, make sure to put a stop limit order on it so that way you won't lose any of your gains or your initial investment. So always put a stop limit order if you're not going to buy the dip. So the current score is 6.71. That's a high score. They feel like a fair opening price is 0.72. They currently have it priced at 75 cents. They feel like the stock is overvalued. I don't agree with that. I feel like that is where it's supposed to be. And please believe me, it's going to continue climbing. Now, my hustle up play of the week is Genius Brands, GNUS. I've been in this play a couple of times, made gains on this, and it's starting to gain steam again. A lot of YouTubers are starting to talk about this. I know Chris Sane has already told his people to start build a couple of week position in this. So expect the volume to start to jump in this stock, and you want to follow the ride. So it went all the way up to $1.99. I think I seen it at 2.01, and then I think it settled at $1.90. So it has room to grow. So what I'm going to do on Monday, I'm going to watch for the dip. If it goes anywhere under like $1.88, $1.87, I'm going to pounce on it and start my position. Probably buy 100 shares in. If it goes lower, buy another 100 shares, and then probably finish it off with another 100 shares. So I want to have 300 shares in this play, and I'm only going to keep this for a couple of days. I'm going to ride the high, put a stop limit order on it, see how much I can gain off this, and then I'm going to move on to my next play. So hopefully I can get that started and get going on that. Genius brand is a great brand. They have Shaq as a spokesperson. They do cartoons. So if you don't know, make sure to do a little research on Genius Brands. They do cartoons. And yes, Shaq is the spokesperson. So when you have a big star like that kind of promoting it, that's gain and win. And a lot more people are like, oh man, I want to be a part of it. You know, everybody wants to be a part of something that a star is a part of. But us as investors, we can't follow that. We just want to be a part of it for the gain. You know, we're looking out for our initial investment. We're trying to get profit. So we're looking out for profits. And that's the kind of mindset that you have to have when you're purchasing stocks and you're getting into a business, especially a business like Genius Brands. Now, keep in mind, like I said before, this is a very volatile stock. I mean, once this stock gain win and it goes up, please take your profits off the table. Unless you're long term on this. I mean, you have some people that really truly believe in this company. So let's see what Stock Invest has to say about this company. Stock Invest has this as a stronger buy. So Stock Invest is like this is a 1.89. So it's not as strong as a buy as the last stock I was talking about, but still it's in the green, people. So like I said, it's starting to gain a lot of steam. You want to get in there. You want to get as much money as you can off of this. Let's look at some more of what Stock Invest say. So it had a red day on Friday for Genius Brands. It lost 3.59%. That's a good thing because we want to get in this play on the dip. We want to ride this sucker up and then we want to take our profit and move on to the next big play. So I don't mind seeing that it was on a dip, especially with it being a buy stock. So I'm cool with that. I'm okay with the dip. So people, it did dip down to 3.59%. This was updated on February the 5th. So we know we can jump in this stock and we know we can make some good money off this stock. Let's get in this stock. Let's get paid. So let's see what else Stock Invest has to say about this stock. This stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in short term and a further rise within a trend. So we already know that. The Genius Brand International stock holds buy signals. So like I said before, it holds buy signals. So we want to be a part of that. And then on a short term. So remember, I'm telling you all that this is a short term investment for me. This is what I would call a hustle up. I'm going to hustle up on it, fast hustle, and I'm gone. Accumulated volume of 1.78 and 1.67. That's kind of where they feel like the support is. We don't want it to drop down that low if we're already in this play. So as soon as you purchase in, put a stop limit order. If you don't know how to do a stop limit order, you can Google it or you can ask me and I'll make a video about how to do a stop limit order. And I'll do a stop limit order as soon as I purchase this. I will record the stop limit order when I place this on this stock. So if you're interested in that, let me know. All right, everybody. Currently invested 6,257, down 1,000, and I was down 1,000 mostly because of all of my option plays that I have on SPE. Those option plays should pay off for me big next week, so you should see a gain next week of more than 1,000. I'm looking forward to be green, 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 baby, like the green light, green like grass. If you like this, make sure to subscribe. Thank you.